bigyan natin ng prangkisa para mabigyan natin ng hanap buhay ang lahat basta siguradong ligtas ang seguridad ng bawat pasahero. Kapag maayos ang inyong serbisyo, sasama pa ako sa pamamasada po ninyo lahat. Meron nga isang senador na gumawa ng endorsement letter para sa joyride, pero hindi naman niya ginawa yun para mag-influence. At mabuti ang kanyang intention, he only wants to keep the playing ground fair and balanced. Ganoon din po ang gusto ng DOTR na maging pantay-pantay ang lahat ng service providers. As for Grab, the Philippine Competition Commission has recently penalized the company with 16.15 million fine for overpricing and high driver cancellations in violation of service quality commitments. According to reports, the fine is composed of 13.50 million for pricing deviations and 2 million for driver cancellation of 7.76 of price instead of the 5% ceiling. The 16.50 million in total fine is just the latest in a series of penalties imposed on Grab for violation. For violating its pricing